abusuafo ya nto akase bono so na kyerese me demo kwa rem awo ye NDC amanyoko ene MPP amanyoko no emu na nsafofro abeto adwa ene senti no ye na nim se ogbora NDC mu ha de na kyerese omo wo ye edom pa yi ade se omo to abana ma omo mtimi afa aga na kokoro aba no ye afi atwem ye 2024 yi na nsafofro asan beto ho ene senti no ye MPP fo ye NDC fo ye omo loyal members atese busuafo omo da wo so wo mo enkwam NDC ano omo dwan na kyerɛ sɛ yɛbɛnya bi afiri yɛ Bono region mountain mu Bono East mountain mu ne ɛsɛnso nya bi ɛwɔ yɛ Devota region mountain mu na emu 50,000 ayɔ ma adin sɛ sisi ade yɛ NDC amanyɔkɔ no ɛyɛ ma pere John Dramani Mahama bɛtena so no ɔhyɛ ɔmo hyɛ kakra nti no ɔmo na ɛdwane de ɔmo ni akɔkɔkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ yɛ MPP ɛyɛ amanyɔkɔ no mu na ɔmo akɔgye ɛyɛ membership card kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ sisi ano ɔmo yɛ MPP for gradually send a bruni back and ask no NDC for no loyal members and so at Yansa. Your mom price after 2028 year, Baby Simony, or Metimania, a beer meeting at Obama and before every NDK. And some no much about today, local Nakaka tea.
Omo opposition, Ebeka se Riasin na Yansa, Omonegu Mutrin, Abusia, Yama Omo power. Na NDC for earth to papa so left, right, and center. Yes, Dr. Kwabena Donko say, Yankantre NDC for say omo ba mu a na kire se ayese obi abo omudia omo say wase ohunu ebi Rollins time Atamils time and afe John Mahama 1.0 and afe John Mahama 2.0 impo abusia o say ordinary bua NDC hey, they know what to do. Ewo opposition, but omo ba mu a na ato omo ne kasa nkoa. Abusia kasa gist. Yes. Political gist master abusia maba. Ene de ba free NDC mu pe. Yes. Abusia Dr. Kwabena Donko, former power and energy minister. Yes. Dr. Kwabena Donko ono ena sese yedi gist no efri na kachi eba abusia oye NDC ni ma papio abusia ene de ode abetu dwane se NDC fo omo opposition ebeka se wiase nyina nyansa omo negu omutrin abusia yema omo power na NDC for earth to papa so left, right, and center. Yes, Dr. Kwabena Donko say, Yankantre NDC for say omo ba mu a na kire se ayese obi abo omudia. Omo say wase ohunu ebi Rollins time Atamils time and afe John Mahama 1.0 and afe John Mahama 2.0 impo abusia o say ordinary bua NDC hey they know what to do. Ewo opposition but omo ba mu a na ato omo ne kasa nkoa. Abusia kasa gist. Yes. Political gist master abusia maba. Ene de ba free NDC mu pe. Yes. Abusia Dr. Kwabena Donko.
I'm beginning to regret ever campaigning and voting for the NDC. Honestly, I'm beginning to regret big time. The NDC, is it becoming or has become unattractive? It's like the politicians are all liars. They are misleaders. They mislead us to get their own parochial interests. It's all about them and no one else. For Mr. President Mahama to be handling things the way he's handling things, honestly, I'm highly disappointed. Extremely disappointed in the NDC. Most especially President Mahama. With all the experiences. if a boy or a young man, pardon my language, if a young man who can be his son, Ibrahim Traore, is doing what he's doing in Burkina Faso, and our president is here giving us excuses, I wonder if we truly believed in the lies again and voted for this. Because the first month of the NDC in power, I got a revelation and I said that the NDC party or government should be careful. There could be a military takeover just within the first month, highly the second month. And that's the revelation I got. And I think I've repeated this over and over on all my videos. So, Mr. President, if you are not utilizing your experience, because from my background checks, you've been an assemblyman before, a minister, deputy minister, an MP, deputy minister, a minister, vice president, president, and back to president again. And Mr. President, if you cannot utilize these experiences, I'm highly disappointed. Highly disappointed. The oral, it doesn't mean you fooled Ghanaians, you people fooled Ghanaians. The galamsey, were you just playing tricks on the minds of Ghanaians? Oh, wow. And then this issue of the Igbo king, you've not mentioned anything concerning it, only for you to make it look like we the Ghanaians who are fighting for the land are not reasonable. Really, the same people who voted.